Hello, be welcome. In this video, I'll try to show my experience with BF Botmanager. I am not a user of BF Botmanager. I use Layback Bot, which is a system for bots made in Brazil. And I tried BF Botmanager for the first time. I used the 1 month free trial to understand if it's better or not, what are the differences, and in this video I'll try to cover it. Be mindful that I am a user for Layback Bot for a long time, so I have my experience, all of my experience with bots in Layback Bot and not in BF Botmanager, and I'm just trying to understand if BF Botmanager was a better solution for me. And I can already tell as a spoiler that it was, but it was with many caveats. Well, and I'll try to discuss them here. Secondly, this is my first ever video talking in English. I don't know if it's good enough for make an entire video. So if it's not, please don't hate me, just let it be. As if the video don't get a good response for people that watch it, I'll just give up and follow my way, keep making my videos only in Portuguese, right? So it's just a test, as I say. So what I did was to pick some bots that as I think are good enough in Layback Bot for me for the tests that I have been conducting for more than a year, and I replicated them here in BF Botmanager, and the results were in general were not good because this month, April, was very bad for all my bots, right? European football is at deadline. The championships are at its end, and it gets a little more complicated for the strategies, right? It's we know that for our experience with our bets without bots, right? And so for bots, it is expected that it gets a little worse. So I'm let 4 bots running this month here in Layback Bot, and the same bots with the same configurations running here in BF Botmanager. Generally, they were worse in BF Botmanager, but not by the gap is not too high. The most problematic bot was back to home team that here in BF Botmanager had almost seven stakes down, and here in Layback Bot had only 3 stakes down, so it's a significant difference, but the rest of the bots not that much, some better there, some better here. So what I want to discuss are the differences that I have observed in both platforms, and maybe you will think what is best for you. And if you are a BF Botmanager user, you may discover that the Layback Bot is a little better, a little easier, and if you use it, Layback Bot, and are not satisfied, you may understand that some characteristics of BF Botmanager are better for you. Overall, I can say that Layback Bot is way easier for anyone that is starting, right? But well, let's discuss both platforms then. So what are the advantages of Layback Bot? when we compare it, or of course, to BF Botmanager. Well, this platform covers more games when we consider the need to track the event's score. So, so games for lower divisions or games in some countries that have some difficulties with statistics services, they they seem to appear more in Layback Bot, as in BF Botmanager it is a little more hard for the markets to have the score, the event score in live. So sometimes we are betting in Betfair, and even sometimes in games from Premier League or La Liga, and Betfair loses the event score and the time of the game that is shown in the site in the top part of the screen. So for some reason in Layback Bot these events are more tracked than in BF Botmanager. So in some way Layback Bot gets a greater volume of operations per bot than BF Botmanager, right? Layback Bot attempts to match again if there is no match in this first attempt to enter the market. So it's better for undergo and tries. It's better also for lays in the match odds market, right? I have seen that BF Botmanager tries to enter the match once, and if it's not successful, it will may how can I say give up. When Layback Bot does not do that, it tries to enter the market every 30 seconds. So if the conditions that you have set in the bot are still given in the match, you will have more tries. The bot will try again and again until the time that you set up when you created the bot expires, or the match changes its characteristics or score and all that, right? Layback Bot has the pre-live odds for the events taken from 365, and this is great because when we take the pre-live odds from Betfair in games that are not really that don't attract too much attention, we have many problems with these pre-live odds. We have greater gaps or odds that don't make much sense because there is very little money on the market. But what I'm saying here is not that it is good or bad to have these odds. What I want to say with this is that Layback Bot will make more operations because of this. In Betfair, sometimes a football match starts with no money in the match odds market. No money, no stakes match in any operation. So if your bot has the necessity to consult the pre-live odds, it will not work in this market because there are no pre-live odds for that event. Creating bots in Layback Bot is a very very simple process. You open a window, and you will have every option that you need to set up, and they are very simple, very very straightforward. And once you have put the minimum options, your bot will start making its and tries and make its and placing bets, huh? Layback Bot has also integrated reports in the program, right? If you want to have access to very simple statistics of the trades that your bot has made, you can just enter them, and the simple report will give you many simple informations that are good for some adjusts that you maybe want to do with your bot. And you have the option also to export your matches in a Excel file, as BF Botmanager also have these options if you want to make a more profound analysis, right? But you have these very simple reports that you can consult with only a click of your mouse. And for last, it's a web-based system, so no need for paying a VPN and no need for leaving your PC, your personal computer turned on 24 hours for it to work. I want to show here what I just said. For example, for the creation of bots, my version here is in Portuguese because my Betfair account is in Portuguese. But if you use your Betfair in English, the page will be with everything in English as well, right? And here are every option that you need. You have the criteria for your entry, the place where you set your stake, the scores, statistics, odds that you may want the bot to look for in live, some informations and characteristics of past games, the competitions where you want the bot to work, teams that you want the bot to work. So it's very simple to create bots in Layback Bot. And you have the reports. So you click and you have many information like the number of trades, the average odd in which it operated, good run, bad run, competitions where it performed better, teams where your bot performed better. So it's very interesting. It's not a killer feature, but it helps. But I think the simplicity of creating bots, yes, this one is really a killer feature. So the advantages of BF Bot Manager, well, it works in everything that exists in Betfair, right? Any event, any market. In Layback Bot, we have very few markets to work. We have match odds, we have correct score, we have 7 lines of goals from 05 to 605, and both teams to score. We have only these markets available to work with, and only football. There is no possibility to work with any other sport, and also not the possibility to work with other kind of market. There are only these markets that you can select when you are creating your bot. So if you want a platform that works on football and on tennis and on horses, BF Botmanager is the right platform for you, right? It's a very lightweight program. You really don't need a very good machine to run BF Botmanager. I ran it this month in a very old laptop. Another advantage that is that BF Botmanager monitors the market in a custom time frame that you set. As I said earlier, Layback Bot monitors the market in a time frame of 30 seconds, and here you can set 1 second, 5 seconds, less than 1 second, and it may be a very important option. And BF Bot Manager has a large amount of options for you to customize your bot and control your trades. It has millions and millions of possibilities. I don't even have the experience needed to explore all of it can offer. I will do more in the future. And what are the differences between, when I say differences, I want to say about, I'm talking about things that are not neither good neither bad, that case to case may be better or not. So live statistics are different in both platforms. So these programs, they receive the live statistics for a match from a specific service, right? And these live statistics, they are slightly different depending on the server. Some of them are more obvious, like yellow cards, like number of goals, of course, but some others are a little different, like ball possession, uh, uh, also like shots on target. So if you have one bot in one of these platforms, it may not translate well if for the other if you use these live statistics. So it's something to have in mind. The pre-live odds are different, like I said, but this can be a bad thing or a good thing, because using BF Botmanager, you will have the security that your bot is trading and making operations only in games that have a good volume of money traded in in the pre-live market. And overall, because of many things that I said here, a layback bot will have a much higher volume of operations. So I think both are very good platforms, and I intended and I want to use both of them and keep doing tests. I want to recreate my other bots in BF Botmanager, study the platform, and as the time passes, I think I will have specific bots for Layback Bot and specific bots for BF Botmanager, and try to take advantage of both platforms. They have these very personal characteristics that I think with time, I will be able to explore. So thank you so much if you get this far in this video, and I see you next time. Bye.